In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see all your liked posts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done and you've successfully signed into your Instagram account, tap right here to head over to your Instagram profile. Then tap at these three lines. And that's where you can easily find your activity. If we get into it towards the very top, we can easily find likes, and if we tap at likes, we'll find all the posts we have liked on Instagram, sorted in chronological order from the recent to oldest. That's where we can check any post, and let's say if we would like to unlike it, we can easily do so by tapping at that heart icon. As you can see now, it is highlighted, which means that this post is actually liked by me. And then to unlike it, I can just tap on it one more time. And obviously it will remove that post from my liked post. If we refresh that page, we can see that now it's gone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.